So guys, for the sake of this class, I'll be using the cPanel which I've already got uh, the domain and hosting for the purpose of this class. Okay, so I'll be using this cPanel and this hosting to explain how everything in cPanel, how it is and how it really works with class. Things in the cPanel which we are going to be using, and also note this is just a step-by-step guide, and also using a real-time project which is for this teaching purpose to show you how it works. So firstly, in my screen you can see email accounts. Okay, click this email account. What it simply means is you creating a web mail, because this is just like a normal email but using the domain name which you have created or bought for your project or anything you want to do. So this is where we'll be creating the 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 email, which is the web mail. Then going down, going down, another place I want you to look into. I will be explaining all this as the time goes, explaining it for you to understand. So the next thing I want you to look for is also the file manager. The file manager is the place where you'll be uploading your script. Again, you'll see PHP, which is the database section. All this comes in section by section. If you go up, you'll see this one is labeled email. Everything about email and stuff you'll be doing with webmail is being in this email jet section. Then Jet's backup for backups, uh, billing and support for your cPanel technical issues and stuff like that. So the files, you see the place of the file manager. File manager is the place where we'll go and see the directory where we will deploy our sites and stuff like that. So you see file manager and a lot of things which I'll be explaining more in the advanced class. So I've showed you notes, email, then second, the file manager. I'm writing this down because I'm also trying to keep track of what we're doing, and for you to understand well. So you being in this class and you don't have your writing material, that means you'll be making mistakes and everything. As they say, the shortest pen is better than the longest memory. So you can go back to your jotter and still get the point and steps on how you take the class, uh, do your project, I mean to say. So right now we are in the database section. So in the database section, you'll be working mostly with to create your database. We'll be using this section, which I'll be explaining uh, in the meantime, which is database. Let me write it down. Database. So database. Then scroll down, you will see what we are going to look for is now the software, which is the PHP version. You see PHP, the multi PHP, and PHP version. Note, as a newbie, because of the project that we are going to be working with, you will be using the select PHP version, which is PHP version, PHP version. So that is it for uh, this explanatory of the first of all. But I also want to show you one place also because of the first project that I want to showcase as a practice. Also, if you come down, you see the advanced uh, section, then you see the core jobs, the core jobs, okay, which we are going to be using for the first demonstration. That is why. So, but I'll be explaining everything step by step using real-time projects. So you are going to be learning from the real-time project which I'm doing, which is the project is for teaching purposes. So firstly, let us I would like us to take things a step at a time. We have created our domain. We bought our domain and hosting, which this domain is what we're going to be using to to teach. Already, well, the SSL key is already activated, which I'll be showing you as time goes on. Maybe you got your domain and hosting, the SSL uh, didn't automatically update itself. I'll be showing you how to do it manually and also how to turn it off. Uh, Maybe in case you want to change things, but I will advise you once you turn it on, leave it on. Okay, so now let us go to the file manager. First place we're going to go right now is the file manager. The file manager. So we'll scroll and down to the file manager.